Birds are unique creatures with feathers, beaks, and lightweight bodies, making them well suited for flight, though some are flightless. Found worldwide, they come in diverse shapes, sizes, and colors, from tiny hummingbirds to large ostriches. Birds play essential roles in nature, such as pollination and seed dispersal. They reproduce by laying eggs and often build nests to care for their young. With their beautiful songs and vibrant plumage, birds add beauty and balance to the ecosystem. Ducks have webbed feet, perfect for swimming. These act like paddles, making them excellent swimmers, but they have no nerves or blood vessels, keeping them safe in icy water. Ducks are omnivorous and can eat a variety of food, from plants to small fish and insects. Their specialized bills help them filter food from water efficiently. Ducks produce oil from a gland near their tails, which they spread over their feathers to stay dry and buoyant in water. Emus are the second largest birds in the world and cannot fly. However, they are incredibly fast runners, reaching speeds of up to 50 km per hour, 31 miles per hour, using their strong legs and three-toed feet for agility and balance. Emus have unique double-shafted feathers that provide insulation and protection from the harsh Australian climate. The feathers also help regulate body temperature by reflecting solar radiation. Male emus take full responsibility for incubating eggs and raising the chicks. They sit on the nest for about 8 weeks without eating, drinking, or leaving, showcasing extraordinary dedication. Sandpipers are known for their unique stitching motion as they rapidly probe the sand or mud with their long, slender beaks in search of insects, small crustaceans, and other invertebrates. Sandpipers are remarkable long-distance migrants, traveling thousands of miles between their breeding grounds in the Arctic and their wintering sites in warmer coastal areas around the world. Their brown, gray, and white plumage provides excellent camouflage against sandy and rocky shorelines, helping them blend into their environment and avoid predators. Pelicans are known for their distinctive large throat pouch, which they use to scoop up fish and drain water before swallowing their catch. This unique feeding adaptation allows them to efficiently hunt for fish in water. Pelicans often exhibit cooperative behavior by hunting in groups. They work together to herd fish into shallow waters, making it easier for them to catch their prey. This teamwork sets them apart from many other bird species. Pelicans are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of aquatic habitats, including coastal regions, freshwater lakes, and estuaries. Their ability to thrive in both saltwater and freshwater environments showcases their ecological versatility. Cranes are famous for their graceful and elaborate courtship dances. These dances involve intricate movements, including jumping, wing flapping, bowing, and graceful calls. These rituals not only strengthen pair bonds but are also a stunning spectacle in the bird world. Cranes typically form long-term monogamous relationships and are known for their loyalty to their mates. These bonds often last for many years, with pairs working together to build nests and raise their young. Many species of cranes are known for their long migratory journeys, some traveling thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. These migrations are often done in large flocks that form characteristic V formations to conserve energy and communicate while flying. Penguins are flightless birds, but they are incredibly skilled swimmers. Their wings have evolved into flippers that allow them to fly underwater with remarkable agility, making them highly effective hunters of fish, squid, and krill. Penguins are famously adapted to cold climates, particularly in regions like Antarctica. They have a thick layer of blubber, dense feathers, and specialized circulatory systems that help them retain heat in freezing temperatures, allowing them to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Penguins are highly social birds and often form large colonies, especially during breeding seasons. These colonies can number in the thousands, and penguins engage in complex social behaviors, including vocalizations, group foraging, and even huddling together for warmth in extreme cold. Swans are known for their elegance, with long necks and pristine white feathers, in most species. Their graceful movements on water and in flight make them a symbol of beauty and serenity. Swans are monogamous birds, often forming lifelong bonds with their partners. Their dedication to their mates is well known, as pairs will work together to build nests, care for their young, and defend their territory. Despite their graceful looks, swans are known for being highly protective, especially during nesting season. They can be surprisingly strong and will use their wings and hissing calls to ward off any perceived threats to their nest or young. Woodpeckers have incredibly strong, chisel-like beaks that allow them to drill into tree trunks and bark in search of insects. Their drumming behavior, where they rapidly peck on wood, also serves as a way to communicate with other woodpeckers and establish territory. Woodpeckers are equipped with specialized adaptations to absorb the shock from their rapid pecking. Their skulls and beaks are designed to minimize damage from the constant impact, and they have a specialized cushioning structure in their brain to protect it. Woodpeckers have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. This unique foot structure helps them grip tree trunks and maintain stability while climbing and pecking. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of hovering in mid-air. They achieve this by rapidly flapping their wings in a figure-8 motion, which allows them to stay in one place while feeding on nectar from flowers. Hummingbirds are extremely fast and agile. They can fly forwards, backwards, and even upside down, which helps them navigate and feed with precision. Their wings can beat up to 80 times per second in flight. Hummingbirds have an incredibly high metabolism to support their energetic flight. They consume large amounts of nectar, and their heart rate can exceed 1,200 beats per minute when hovering. To meet their energy needs, they must feed frequently throughout the day. Kingfishers have long, pointed beaks that are perfectly adapted for catching fish. Their sharp beaks allow them to dive into water with precision and snatch fish quickly. Kingfishers are known for their acrobatic flight abilities. They hover above water before diving in head first to catch their prey, demonstrating incredible agility and speed. Kingfishers are often recognized by their vibrant and striking plumage, which includes bright blues, oranges, and greens. This colorful appearance makes them one of the most visually stunning birds, especially when they flash by near water. Robins are easily recognized by their bright red or orange breast, which makes them stand out among other birds. This striking feature is often associated with warmth and is a symbol of spring in many cultures. Robins are known for being one of the first birds to migrate in the spring and the last to leave in the fall. Their migratory patterns help signal seasonal changes, with many people associating their arrival with the onset of spring. Robins are renowned for their melodious, cheerful songs. These songs are often heard early in the morning and are a common sound in gardens, forests, and parks, especially during the breeding season when they are establishing territory. Doves are often associated with peace and tranquility. Their gentle nature and soft cooing sounds have made them symbols of harmony, love, and reconciliation in many cultures and religions around the world. Doves have a unique flight pattern, characterized by a steady, smooth, and graceful flight. They can fly long distances in a straight line, often with their wings making a distinctive whistling sound during flight. Doves are known for forming strong, monogamous bonds, often staying with the same mate for life. They are also very nurturing, with both parents sharing the responsibility of incubating eggs and feeding their chicks, making them excellent caregivers. Owls are known for their incredible ability to see in low light. Their eyes are adapted to nocturnal hunting, allowing them to spot prey in complete darkness. Their large eyes help them gather as much light as possible, giving them superior night vision. Owls have specialized feathers that enable them to fly silently. The structure of their wings and feathers helps reduce flight noise, making them stealthy hunters. This silent flight allows them to approach prey without being detected. Owls have the unique ability to rotate their necks up to 270 degrees. This allows them to look around without moving their body, which is especially helpful when hunting or observing their surroundings. Their necks have more vertebrae than most birds, providing them with this incredible range of motion.